A lot of people will say, we want our door to open to the outside, which we can do that. That's called an outswing door. If you go to almost any public building in the United States now, all their doors open to the outside. And the reason why is it's a fire hazard. If you have multiple people inside a building or a structure and an incident happens and everybody pushes to the door, well, if it's an in-swing door, everybody has to back up for the door to swing to the inside for them to escape from an emergency or fire or whatever. On a residential home, the doors almost always swing to the inside. And the reason why that is you have far less people usually in a home than you would, say, in an auditorium or some other type of facility. So in order to open the door to the inside isn't a hazard or a problem, and so people can still escape in case of an emergency or a fire or something like that. The reason why doors in swing is just very simply, when a door shuts, you're outside, I'm inside. When a door shuts to the outside, there's a piece of trim on the outside called a stop that the door seals against, and that stops the air infiltration or moisture infiltration from coming around it. If you reverse this process, you're outside, I'm inside, and the door swings to the outside, well, the door now shuts against a stop that's on the inside. So moisture or elements can actually get into this seam between the door and the frame, and if you have enough air force, it can blow through here and cause it to force the moisture or air to the inside of the house. And so that's why you want the door to swing from the inside. That being said, we've done door systems before for people where they want it to be an outswing door, and they have different reasons. It goes out onto a deck, or it's in the most common one, it's in the dining room. They have a French door system there, or a door system, and every time they have people over, somebody's got to get up for them to open the door, so they want the door to swing to the outside rather than the inside, so they don't have to have people move to get in or out. And we accommodate both. In my own house, every door swings to the inside, but I don't have that space issue. I'm not saying one's right or wrong or better. It's just different options for different people.